Okay, so we come now to an HSC question, question 27 from the 2006 HSC paper. Notice that the question gives you a lot of information about the EDTA complex, how it reacts with calcium in particular, and it also even tells you that it reacts in a 1-to-1 ratio. So even if you feel a bit overwhelmed by the EDTA complex and its interaction with magnesium and calcium, as long as you know that, okay, well, for every mole of this complex, there's a mole of calcium and magnesium ions, that's all you need to know, and then you need to be able to plug into a typical titration process the information that's given to you on the sheet. Now, if you take a look at the question, you'll notice that the student uses 50 mils of water for his sample or her sample. She also adds the buffer and some indicator, which is pretty much useless information to us as we unpack part A. It's then titrated with a known concentration of EDTA, 0.0200 moles per litre, and then you have a repetition, and then the last bullet point tells us that the average volume of EDTA used in the 4 titrations was 24 mils. Now question A asks you, what is the average number of moles of EDTA added to reach the end point? So you're really asked how many moles of EDTA are present in 24 mils of this solution. So it's not hard at all. All you really need to do for A is this. So this is part A. Number of moles is equal to the concentration times volume. Remember, N equals CV. What do I need? I need a CV. So the number of moles is equal to the concentration of EDTA. You're given that 0.0200 mole per litre. Remember, concentration is always in moles per litre, volume's always in litre, times the volume, 24 mils, expressed in litres, so 0.024 litres. And the answer to that calculation, if you do it on your calculator, you'll find is 0.00048 mole. That's how many moles of EDTA in 25 mils. So nice and easy for 1 mark. Of course, it's best to express a number like that in scientific notation. So that's 4.8 times 10 to the negative 1234 mole. Now that's the answer for part A, and that's 1 mark in the back pocket.